totally rehearsed. There it is. There it is. You can turn it up from that thing right there. All right, ladies and gentlemen, a hat. Isn't that fun? You need one of those.
All right, tell them what you get, what you got, and what this is.
Look at that. So, this is another Tora thing, and we were just amazed. We saw this on the video, and we were like, how many of those are there? It just keeps going. So, you get this awesome hat, which is really nice. Actually, it's a durable folding top hat. I don't even know where we get these. This is a really good one. So, you get the hat, and you get all of those flowers that pop out of there, one at a time. It's kind of nice. It's a spring flower fountain. What is it, like 25 or so? So this is pretty.
You get the hat.
You get the hat and the flowers. We added in these silks. These are silks that we sell. We have specialty silks that say the end or thank you and all kinds of stuff like that. We just added those in that are kind of fun too. So yeah, these are sold separately, the two silks, but that's the new Tora piece.
And it's on your list called the Tora Waterfall.
At the bottom.
Look at the bottom. Last time, $79. You get the hat and all the spring flowers.
It's pretty awesome.
$140.
Go, there you go.
So you need one of those.
There's one over
those
here.
Are really,
Yeah.
those are great.
What about
Michael Stein.
now? What do we do?
Over there.
You want that?
Okay.
And it's self-work.